Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can use CapCut template in TikTok easily. So go to the search bar right here and find CapCut template. I'm just going to try to find cute CapCut template, and then I'm going to click on a video that has like the CapCut button on it. So this one has one, but my internet isn't working out. This one, there's like a CapCut free video editor button. So click on it, select open CapCut. So select use template in CapCut, and select use template, and select for clips. I'm just going to select for photos. Then you're just going to select preview and wait for the effects to load. And that's it. Super simple, super easy, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!